Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom virtual background with a green screen. This feature is perfect for creating a professional backdrop during your meetings, especially when you want to hide your actual surroundings or add a branded background for business calls. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This works whether you're hosting a meeting or joining as a participant. Once you're in the meeting interface, you'll see various controls at the bottom of your screen. Now look at the bottom of your Zoom app and locate the settings option. Click on it to access all the configuration options Zoom has to offer. This is where you'll be able to customize your video experience and enable the green screen feature. I should mention that I don't have an available webcam connected right now, so I'll walk you through the next steps to show you exactly where everything is located in the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, select Video and Effects. This section contains all the visual customization tools you need for your Zoom calls. Within this menu, you'll see various options for adjusting your video appearance. Go ahead and click on Virtual Backgrounds. This is where Zoom stores all the background options you can use during your calls. Now here's the important part for getting your green screen to work properly. Scroll down through the virtual background settings until you find an option that says, I have a green screen. This toggle is specifically designed to optimize Zoom's background detection when you're using a physical green screen behind you. Toggle this option on by clicking it. By enabling this setting, you're telling Zoom to expect a green screen, which allows the software to more accurately separate you from your background. This results in a much cleaner, more professional look without the odd cutouts or artifacts you might see without a green screen. After you've toggled on the green screen option, you can close the Video and Effects settings window. The great thing about Zoom is that once you enable this feature, it will automatically apply the green screen detection to your virtual background. There's no need to save or confirm anything else. The changes take effect immediately, and that's it. You've successfully configured Zoom to work with your green screen, giving you professional-looking virtual backgrounds for all your future meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.